Hi everyone, this is Mr. Muhammad, and today we're going to talk about the quadratic function in the standard form and how to convert from vertex form to standard form. So the first thing we are going to identify from this graph is the vertex, and as you can see the vertex is right here, and this point is 1 and 7, so the vertex is 1 and 7. And that tells me that h is 1, k is 7. So to mention translation, so this graph is translated 1 unit to the right and 7 units upwards. And as you can see also the parabola is supposed to be looking upwards, but this one is reflected across x-axis. So there's also a reflection that tells me that a must be a negative value. But we're going to get to this in a minute. So for now, I'm going to write the vertex form of the quadratic function fx equals ax minus h squared plus k. Alright, and then I'm going to substitute for h and k, so fx equals I don't know yet, x minus 1 squared plus 7. But now to find the value of a, we need to use any point on the graph that I can use with this function to find a. So I think the y-intercept will do. So the y-intercept is 0 and 5, so I'm going to use the point 0 and 5. So replace fx by 5, x was 0, that's 5 equals to a 0 minus 1 squared plus 7. Minus 1 squared is 1, so a plus 7 equals to 5. That makes a equal to negative 2. And as you can see, a is negative, and that makes sense because the parabola is looking downwards. Moving forward, now fx is negative 2 x minus 1 squared plus 7. Now this is the function in the vertex form. So this is vertex form. So I'm going to take a copy of this function to the next page, and we're going to see how to change it from vertex form to standard form. We need to do it in standard form. Standard form. Okay. So now I have the function in vertex form, and what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to worry about this term. I need to square it. And I'm going to use the perfect square formula, which is a plus b squared equals to a squared plus 2ba plus b squared, which is going to yield minus 2 outside, and then x squared is x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 7, and then we distribute the minus 2 inside, so it's going to be minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 plus 7, which gives me minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. And the good thing about the standard form of the quadratic function, let me use another color. The good thing about the standard form of the quadratic function is that it tells me directly what is the y-intercept of this function, which is right here, c equals to 5. This is your y-intercept. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the same function from the standard form to vertex form.